Get, Dango.
Oh, Dango, go, won't leave us alone.
Oh, that's a fish. Oh my gosh. No, get away from Dango. No. Oh my gosh, that's a toad. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish, Braylon. Braylon, that's a big fish. Braylon, that's a big fish. Braylon. Oh my gosh. That's a giant smallmouth. That's a giant smallmouth, Braylon. Come here, fish.
I got your pole, I got your pole. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
I got your pole. Oh, no. Dango.
Oh my gosh. That was a lot just happened in a few seconds. Get back, dog. Dango tried to get it.
I hit the bell.
Okay,
Oh,
thanks.
that's probably them.
Yeah, I bet it is. Oh my god.
Oh my.
That's a big smallmouth.
Oh, is that your PB?
I don't know. I don't think it is. It's my PB Smalley for sure.
Dango.
Woo! That was a lot just happened
Just a few seconds.
in a few seconds. All right, bud, come here. That's a toad.
I saw you just start reeling. I was like, wait, what is that? Oh, you should put the flop as it.
I thought he came off.
He started to bite the top of the reel.
I thought he came off.
I did too, because he started coming towards us. That's why.
I know, he started coming towards us and I was
He
like,
got away
please,
from
no.
the dog.
He got away from the dog. Yeah. Okay, there we
He
go.
came straight towards us. Oh, his lips ripped. You're lipping the lip.
Ripping the lips, boys.
Can I pet him?
There we go. Hang on. Oh my gosh.
No, Dango, go me help. Go me.
Real. Quit, Dango, get back. Okay. Let me get a B-roll shot of this. Let me get a thumbnail. Oh my gosh. That's a freaking giant Smalley.
What are you doing with it?
Get my thumbnail. Okay, we're gonna put him back. We're gonna put him back. Y'all, that is a toad.
The dog in the background.
This dog. That's a giant smallmouth, Brandon. Okay, hang on. Go, no. No, he's gone.
You went in between my legs.
That was a giant smallmouth, dude.
No, I got it.
Let's freaking go.
I got